Hello and welcome to the Kempinski Resort in Cancun. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of my Seafront Suite. This resort was the Ritz-Carlton Cancun for about 29 years, and then in late 2022 it was taken over by Kempinski. So if you stayed in the Ritz-Carlton Cancun, it's the same property. This might look a bit familiar. So coming in, doorway, little guest bathroom to the left as you walk in. The whole suite is about 82 square meters. This is the living space. TV over there. Another little coffee table here. It's dusk at the moment, it's getting a bit dark. Here is the bedroom. Really good size. Another TV facing the bed over there, storage. Your little chaise lounge, if that's how you say it. Desk, where I was working today. This is the dual vanity sink bathroom area. Storage in there and a safe. More storage there. Then going through to the bathroom. If I just turn on the light, you've got a toilet into the right. Bathtub here, and then a standalone shower with toiletries by Salvatore Ferragamo. And what I like most about the suites is that you are on apparently the best beach in Cancun, with great views. So here to the left, I'm right in the corner. You can see one of the few undeveloped patches of strand here. So you get a bit more light, a bit more space, a bit more air. And then looking towards the front, this really spacious balcony with another great sea view. So balcony stretches out from here to there, and that is the view.